Hey guys, B-Tech here. Today I'm testing out 1001 TVs, a powerful screen mirroring tool that lets you share your screen across almost any device, whether it's a TV, projector, browser, phone, or PC. Perfect for teaching, meetings, or just enjoying your favorite content on a bigger screen. Let's check it out. Section 1. Why screen mirroring matters. Screen mirroring is super useful, whether you're a teacher sharing slides, a gamer streaming mobile gameplay, or just someone who wants to watch videos and photos on a bigger display. What makes 1001 TVs special is that it supports cross-platform mirroring, from Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac, all in real time with a stable connection and minimal lag. And the best part? You don't even need cables or complicated setups. Section 2. Download and setup. Getting started is quick and easy. 1. Head over to 1001tvs.com or click the link in the description. 2. Download the app for your platform. They have versions for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. 3. Install the app and make sure your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. For this demo, I'm using my Android phone and a Windows PC. Once installed, open the app on both devices, and you'll see your available devices listed automatically. If you haven't downloaded the app on your mobile device or are having trouble finding it, don't worry. It's simple. Just open your phone's camera and scan the QR code displayed on your PC. This will take you directly to the correct download page. The app already has over 1 million downloads and excellent ratings, so you can download it with confidence. Once installed, open the app and tap Continue to Proceed. You can choose to purchase the app right away or start with a 3-day free trial to explore its features. Section 3. Main Features Demo. Let's start with the basic wireless mirroring. On my Android phone, I tap on my PC from the device list. Alternatively, you can scan and connect to the device. To do this, tap the scan button in the top right corner and grant the app permission to access your device's camera. Then scan the QR code and your device will connect to the other device within seconds. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions for screen sharing. Don't worry, you'll only need to do this the first time. After that, you can simply tap the device to connect. On newer devices, you'll see 2 options for screen sharing. Share a single app or share the entire screen. Here, I'll select Entire Screen and tap Start. And as you can see, the screen mirroring is now successful. And boom, my phone screen appears on my computer in real time. This is perfect for sharing slides in a classroom, showing a presentation in a meeting, or even just watching videos or playing mobile games on a bigger screen. Don't want to install an app? 1001 TVs supports browser mirroring too. Simply open the browser mirroring link shown in the app. Type the device IP, and you can view the mirrored screen in your browser without installing anything. Super convenient for quick setups. You can also do this the other way around. Share your Windows display to an Android TV or your mobile phone. To do this, first open the screen receiver section on your mobile device and note down the IP address and port shown there. Next on your PC, click Mirror PC to TV and then select Add Manually. Enter the IP address and port from your mobile device or Android TV. And that's it. Your PC display will now be mirrored to a larger screen like your TV or even to a smaller screen like your phone. Screen mirroring isn't limited to just PC to mobile or mobile to PC. You can also mirror mobile to mobile. The process is just as simple. On one device, select screen mirroring, and on the other, select receiver. Then, scan the QR code to connect, and you're all set. If you want an even more stable and lag-free connection, you can connect your phone via USB cable. This is especially handy for gaming or live streaming, where smooth performance is a must. One of my favorite features is camera mirroring. You can use your phone camera as a live feed for your PC or TV. This is perfect for showing real-time footage during tutorials, live demos, or even using your phone as a makeshift webcam. For teachers or meeting presenters, the whiteboard mirroring feature is amazing. You can write, draw, and highlight on your phone or tablet, and everyone can see your notes live on the big screen. Another cool feature, you can send photos, videos, or documents from your phone to your PC or TV wirelessly. This is great for quickly sharing media during group sessions or enjoying your digital photo albums on a big display. And finally, if you have a DLNA-compatible device, you can cast music, videos, or pictures directly without any additional steps. In my testing, the connection was smooth and stable, with minimal lag, even when casting 1080p videos. And because it supports both Wi-Fi and USB, you have options depending on your needs. The interface is clean and it doesn't feel overwhelming, even for beginners. If you've been looking for a reliable screen mirroring tool that just works across platforms, 1001 TVs is definitely worth trying out. I've left the download link in the description and pinned comment below. Would you use this for teaching, gaming, or just entertainment? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.